Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So you have been using Temu, but for whatever reason you have decided it's time to delete your account. Well, you are in luck because in today's video I will be showing you exactly how to delete Temu using your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, find the Temu app on your home screen. Now keep on tapping Temu app for a few seconds. Here you can find the option of remove app. Simply select it. The phone will ask for your confirmation once again. Now simply tap onto delete app. Now again simply select delete. Now the app has been completely removed from your home screen and also from your phone. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Temu from your iPhone. If you want to use Temu app again, just simply go to the App Store and download it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.